Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will show the previous waypoint and the next waypoint connection right here. Okay, so first of all we will be adding the previous waypoint line. So we want that line to be on the right side right here where the waypoint width ends. Okay, right here. So from here it will join this line right here. Okay, so let me show you how we will do that. Right here we will add a if condition in which we will say that if the previous waypoint is not null, okay, if it is a sign, then what we will do, we will first of all color that line as red. Okay, so we will say gizmos.color equals to colors.red. Then we will create a vector 3 by the name of offset, and this will be the position from which we will be drawing the line. Okay, so right here we will say waypoint dot transform dot right. Okay, as I told you, we will be showing the previous waypoint line right here on the right side of this waypoint width. Okay, so we will say waypoint dot transform dot right, and then we will simply multiply this by waypoint dot waypoint width, and let's divide that by 2. So from here it will create this line. Now we want to create this line to this point, okay, till this point. Okay, so now we will create another vector 3 by the name of offset 2, and this will be equals to waypoint dot previous waypoint dot transform dot right. Okay, and we will multiply that by the waypoint dot transform, actually it is waypoint dot previous waypoint then dot waypoint width, and divide that by 2. Okay, so this 2 vector 3 will basically take the distance, or you can say measure the distance from this point till this point. Okay, so when we have the distance, then what we want to do, we want to draw the line. So we will say gizmos dot draw line. Okay, we want to draw the line from the waypoint dot transform dot position plus offset. Okay, then to which point we want to draw it, it will be till the offset 2. So we will say waypoint dot previous waypoint dot transform dot position, and then we will say plus offset 2. That is it. Right here, make the v of this vector 3 as capital. That is it. Save the script, and then if we get back to Unity, okay, let the script be reloaded. Okay, and as you can see, once it is reloaded, you can now see the previous waypoint line. Okay, so there is no previous waypoint for this 0 1, but for the 1 the previous is 0, so that's why you can see this line from the right side of this waypoint till 0. Okay, then for the 2 the previous is 1, so from the 2 on the right side there is a link to this 1. Okay, and same to that as well. And you will notice that if we delete, then the linkage also gets deleted as well. Okay, and now if we try to create again waypoints again, as you can see it is being created. Now if we create another one, then you will be able to see the link between them, as you can see. Okay, but we need to change the rotation for them to 90. So now as you can see they are all facing forward. Okay, so now we can show the connection between the previous waypoint. Okay, now let's do it for the next waypoint as well. So what we will do, we will simply copy this if condition, okay, and then down below paste it, and right here now instead of the previous waypoint we will now say waypoint dot next waypoint. If that is not null, then we will first of all color it as green, and we will be showing this next waypoint line on the left side, and as I told you that we can't use the left keyword, so in order to show this on the left side, right here add a minus sign, and right here as well, and that will be it. Now if we just simply save the script, get back to Unity, for now as you can see right here for the 0 we have the next waypoint which is waypoint 1, okay, but for the 1 the next waypoint is missing. That is because we didn't create any one. So now if we try to create another waypoint, as you can see the waypoint is created. So now you can see the link right here, okay. For the 0 the next is 1, so as you can see from 0 to 1 you can see the green line. But now for the 2 the next waypoint is missing, so now if we create another one, now you can see the link as well. So for the 1 the next is 2, so you can see from 1 to 2 the green line is right there, but for the 2 and 3 there is missing next waypoint. So let me tell you how we will link all of them correctly. So let me just show you an example right here. So for example, if you want to create a circle right here of this waypoint, so let's go ahead and create a circle, okay. So it will move like that. Then let's rotate this to this side, okay. From here let's create another one, it will move right here. Then create another one, it will move a little bit right here, and let's rotate it again, okay. And from here it will move, for example, right here. Let's create another one, move it there, create another one, move it right here, and that is it. So now for the 8th one, which is this one, the next waypoint is missing. So from, for example, if the AI character reaches this point, okay, then from this point we want the character to move back to this 0 waypoint. So right here on the 8th waypoint we will set the next as 0, and then if we select the 0 right here, the previous one will be the 8. So now you can notice the connection right here between them, okay, the red line and the green line. I know they are a little bit messed up, they are on top of each other because we did the rotation weirdly, but now you can see the connection between the previous waypoint and next waypoint, okay. So now each of them is connected, okay, and as you can see it is now not showing the error in the console, that missing game object, because now each of them is assigned correctly, okay. So in this way our traffic AI characters will walk inside this waypoints, okay. So now with this connection done, let's end this video right here.